Today is Valkyrie Day. Not because I'm tired of the CB300R, far from it. In fact, the bikes are so different. This is so big and massive and powerful with its grabby clutch, and totally different experience from riding the CB300R. Bottom line is I love them both, which is, of course, the perfect scenario. I just took some drone footage, and then I flew my drone right into that wall there. I frequently go left when I want to go right, or vice versa. But yeah, so got some quick drone footage, and now, like I say, it's Valkyrie Day simply because you know, it's not good for these bikes to sit. Again, I am far from tired of the CB300R, but I need to get on this baby and stretch its legs a little bit, and maybe I'll get out on the CB as well. I've got until about 3 o'clock, and then home, and then take a well-deserved nap, and then we're having a dinner party tonight. COVID or no COVID, actually cases are way down here in Horry County, South Carolina, where I live. So so the hope certainly is that we're not all going to get sick and die. That's the hope. Yeah, so different here on the Valkyrie on the one hand. On the other hand, you know, guess what? They're both motorcycles. So there is that sense of wind and freedom the minute you get on them. So I've got some goodies coming for the CB300R. Again, except for using this wind deflector in the summer and going back to the big OEM windshield in the winter. Well, and I put these chrome mirrors on, yeah, to clear my throttle lock here. But I mean, other than that, that's it. There's just nothing to be done to this Valkyrie. It's just perfect. So, you know, gas, oil changes, tires, and that's part of the reason why I bought the little CB. First of all, a little bike is just a whole different riding experience. And secondly, it's a bike I can play with. I can add, you know, a slip-on. I can put handlebar risers on it. I can put some semi-mounted tires on it. Like, there's a whole bunch of stuff I want to do with the CB. Like I said, I want to turn it into a little pseudo-scrambler. I don't need it to go distances because I've got this big beauty right here. Feeling a few raindrops right now. A little bit of rain coming down. Feels good, actually. I'll take it. You know, I forget how awesome this bike is. It's got so much power and so much comfort and so much street presence, you know. I don't have to apologize to anybody being on this thing. Not that you should apologize for anything you're riding ever. But, boy, this thing is just such a cool bike. It's just got so much going for it. So yeah, that was a ball. Now, my evil plan. I'm wearing my cheap Casio watch. I don't even know what it's called. Casio Quartz. I don't know. It is easy to read. It's probably like a $15 watch. It's got no lume, no backlight. I don't think it has an alarm. But it's tough and it's cheap and I like it. Alright, now my evil plan is to take out the CB now. And this thing is so light and maneuverable. It's just a joy. Honestly. It's an absolute joy. So, take the big boy. I mean, look at the size difference of those two. Can you see that? Holy crap. It's a big difference. I hit the mirror. That's alright. Okay. I think I'm recording again. And I thought it'd be fun to take the CB on a little tour of my own neighborhood. Because there's some back streets and stuff I never get to normally. Including a little cut through the dirt, which could be fun. Oh yes, I bumped this mirror. Yeah, I gotta change the mirrors back to stock. These are just not getting it done. Wow, totally different feeling. First of all, tons more air. And then, of course, I'm crouched up on this thing a little bit. Much harder seat. And, of course, you know, no cowl, no windscreen, no nothing. Which is fine with me. So should we do road or dirt? Road or dirt? Dirt or road? This is usually a good choice as long as nobody else is turning right. No, you're so underpowered. I mean, it's not bad. You know, it ain't no 1.8 liter flat 6 like I have on the Valkyrie, but it's not bad. I'm I'm afraid to corner this thing anywhere near what it'll do. I'll figure it out in time. I'll get lower and lower. That's really going to have to wait for jacket and motorcycle pants weather. The last thing I want to do is wash out the front wheel wearing shorts and a Hawaiian shirt. That does not sound like fun to me. I think I almost hit a golf cart going the other way a minute ago. I didn't even think about it. Didn't see him till I was flashing through. So unless you think I'm rich, we do not live in one of these homes. We live in a nice 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo on the other side. And we got another genius. Speaking of geniuses, my blinker was on. Oh, what are you doing? Yes, that's it. Okay, I'll suddenly brake check. Good idea. Okay, no, you don't want to signal. Asshole. Fuck! This is so different from the Valkyrie, but they both get the job done in their own little way. Now, question is, can I get through here? And obviously, I've still got street tires on this guy. Well, they grip pretty good, actually. This is loose, sandy. Well, it feels good. This feels better than my CB500X. Honestly. That CB500X was just a little bit top heavy. And this is much lower center of gravity. I felt much more confidence inspiring. Alright, so that was fun, man. So, I'm gonna go put this away. Actually, should I put gas in it? 75 miles? Nah. I'm pretty sure I'll be riding this again tomorrow. You know, I want to get a better idea how much range this thing has. Accelerate, you're around 5,000 RPM, I think you're good to go. And I think maximum horsepower is at 8. And again, red line's at 10.5. So I don't know exactly what gear I'm in, but I'm in that 4,500, 5,000 RPM range. So if the road is clear, I am out of here. doing? I will never understand people who just stop in the road, even in a parking lot. Just stop. Okay. Here we are. This is as good a place as any, you've decided. This is going to be a great little scrambler, by the way. I mean, this is going to be a great little scrambler. Slowly build it into that. What a sweet ride. So, for me, it's on to more errands and a nap and a nice dinner. Palm trees. Love my palm trees. So guys, bye for now.